Hello everyone, this is Derek Darlington. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Apps keeping crashing or stopping on your Android phone. Recently, many people just complain that their Google Apps keeping crashing or stopping automatically. Now, to fix this issue, you could just trying to uninstall the Android sister webview update. Also, you could get the latest Google app from the Google Play Store. And there are also some other tips you could try. So now let's just get started about how to fix Google Apps keep crashing or stopping. Now first of all, just find the settings in your phone. Here you could find the sister, or if you do not, you could also just search the Android sister web view. Just here and in this setting box. Now after that, just tap the right three dots at the right top, and here you just needed to tap the uninstall updates. Now after this, just restart your phone and check whether the Google app could work properly. Another solution you could do is very simple. You could just get the latest Google app from the Google App Store. So it's very easy to do that. You could just find the Google Play Store and then find the latest Google app from the store. Apart from that, you could also just try to collect the cache for the Google app. You know how to do that. Just to find the settings in your phone. After that, you could just find the Google app. To find the Google app, for example, you could just find the app management, and there tap the app settings. Here you could just find the Google app. You could search the Google, and here you could find it. Here just tap the Google app. Now after that, you could just find the storage and the cache, and here just needed to click cache. Please note, click cache doesn't clear your data or files on your Android, so you do not need to worry. The cache is just this stores the information the app perhaps requires to load the app much faster, so you do not need to worry about that.